Wel, ni yma heddi yn ysgol Dwrfelyn yn Castellnedd. Beth ni wedi penderfynu wneud yw i greu cynhadledd i ddod â arweinwyr at ei gilydd, fel bod cyfle gyda nhw i feddwl, i siarad gyda'i gilydd ac i ystyried y polisi 1416 o fewn i cyd-destynau gwahanol nhw.
The session I've just come out of in particular was fantastic. So looking at that data and accountability and how that can look maybe in 10 years' time, I think the challenges, the nuances, how that impacts school, the fact there's dialogue around it.
I suppose it's the need to enable all learners to succeed. And I think that now more than ever before, there's such a disparity between those who have and those who haven't.
Ni wedi bod yn trafod o fewn ein gweithdai, un gweithdi yn ystyried hunanwerthuso a gwella ysgolion. Gweithdi gan Dr James Mannion yn sôn am fel gall cwricwlwm a dysgu ac addysgu gynorthwyo ein dysgwyr i fod yn fwy effeithiol. Ac yna, trydydd gweithdi yn edrych ar y cwricwlwm, yr amserlen a fel i gydbwyso yr elfennau gwahanol sydd yn ynglwm gyda'r polisi i ni'n cyfeirio tuag at ar hyn o bryd.
I think it's given opportunities for different senior staff to look at the different aspects of curriculum. I focused specifically today on pupil effectiveness. Other colleagues have gone to look at timetabling, subject setting. So again, that I suppose gives us a broad spectrum of how and what we want to do next with our curriculum in schools.
Felly, o beth fi'n gallu gweld, mae pawb wedi mwynhau, mae yna buzz positif iawn wedi bod o amgylch y lle heddi.
I think I'd recommend this event to colleagues as an opportunity to speak with contemporaries from across different authorities as well as within your own authority, and to have different takeaways as well as what the speakers give in terms of what the Welsh Government sees as their approach and where education is going in Wales.